Hi there! For today's video, I will be walking you through the new job listing page feature. So what is a job listing page and how can this help you? The job listing page is an entire list of all your active job campaigns which is set up in your Talkpush account. So what can your leads do in the job listing page? The leads can search jobs by location, job title, and country. Here is a quick demo on how it works. In your Talkpush account, click on Company Settings. Scroll down till you reach your career site. This career site link can be shared to your leads so that they will be able to view your job listing page. I will search under Philippines and see if there are open jobs related to conversational design. Now let's try to apply as a conversational designer. As the candidate, I am required to fill out these details and answer the interview questions. Once I submit this information, my profile will now be created in the Talkpush CRM. As you browse through my profile, you will see that source name is career website. Another cool feature is you can replace the image of your banner. Just follow the steps. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. See you soon!